Hello and welcome to another piano tutorial where I walk you through the primer level lesson book of the Piano Adventure series by Faber. This is the second edition. Yours might be a little different, but the concepts are the same. If you want to support the channel, just like and subscribe and maybe even share the video. That actually helps a lot. Okay, we have learned about a quarter note that gets 1 beat, a half note that gets 2 beats, and then we skipped a 3-beat note and went straight to a whole note, which gets 4 beats. Now we're going back to that 3-count note, which is a dotted half note. It looks just like a normal half note, except there's a dot in front of it. Okay, so keep an eye out for that little dot, and remember you're going to count to 3 when you see it. I'm going to play this song. It is in the same position as the last song, which means my thumbs are both on C. So this is middle C, and then this is the C underneath. And then my fingers are just next to each other after that. I'm going to start with my left hand. 1, 2, 3. Repeat that note. 1, 2, 3. Other hand. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. And then we have a symbol at the end, which is a double bar line plus 2 dots. And that means repeat it all again. We don't always have repeats, but in this song, they want you to repeat it again. So we're going to skip that because I don't think we need to do that for this tutorial. Let's walk through this piece again. My left hand starts on C, step down to B, step down to A, step down to G. This is my first dotted half note, so I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. And now coming back, G, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. I want to play that one more time, and this time I'm just going to count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then my right hand plays, starting on C, C, D, E, F, G, F. Here's a half note, so I count 1, 2 at the same speed I've been playing, D, and then C, and I count to 3. There's a common mistake I see, which is counting starts after the note, but it should be on the note. So if I'm playing these quarter notes with the right hand, this is 1 beat, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, rather than playing and then starting to count 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you're a younger student might just count to 3 and not maintain that same consistent speed. That's okay. Just getting the idea that you count to 3 on those notes, or 2 on half notes, or 1 on the other notes, that's plenty. You could also play this song counting to 3 because there's 3 beats for every measure. So I could play like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That could also be confusing, so don't do that if that gets in your way. The most important part of this song is learning what a dotted half note is and making sure it gets 3 counts. All right, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Good luck and have fun.